This is Biotronix Tecar Therapy Device. You can see this is the Tecar Therapy latest innovative technology in physiotherapy and rehabilitation. And this is the CET section. You can see this is the CET electrode. You can see the quality of the product. This is the non-insulated one. This is the insulated one, and these are the various insulated attachments. And this is the non-insulated one, the conductive one. You can see the stainless steel. And this is the RET section. So these are the various attachments according to body part. And this is the touchscreen model. You can see this is the stylish design. You can see, and this is the carry box. You can see this is the carry box. You can see the during transit, and this is the negative plate. This is the negative electrode or negative plate, or you can see this is the return pad. This is the return pad. So I have already connected the same at the back end at the return pad, and this is the RET section, and this is the CT electrode. So this is the positive electrode, and this is the negative. This is the positive. This is the negative. So to get the treatment, you have to connect the negative terminal and apply the positive electrode. Likewise, you have to connect the negative terminal to the body very tightly, and then apply the positive terminal. So this is the CT as well as RET. Now I will show you the demo by operating the same. I will switch it on from the back side. There is a fan also there for putting the device, and you can see this is the touch screen, and you can see this is the Biotronix solution for our imported device Tecar Therapy. So whenever I touch the screen, I will get into the password section where I will put the default password as 6 times 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Sure. Now you can see this is the main screen where it is written as CET and RET. So CET section is over here, RET section is over here. When I click on the RET, I will go to RET section. When I click on the CET, I will go to the CET section. With the CET section, you can see there are 10 treatment protocols: cerebral vertebrae, back, shoulder, elbow, waist, femur, hand, wrist, leg, knee, ankle. So you can see if I go to the leg, I will get the indication of leg, shoulder on the shoulder, femur on the femur part, waist on the waist part. So this is the indication of the treatment I have selected. So now if I selected hand and waist, so indication is over here, and you can see these are the recommendation already provided by the company, that in the hand and wrist area you should give the time period of 30 to 40 minutes. Energy level is 45%, time 2 times treatment, and interval is 5 to 7 days. So this is the recommendation already set it over here also. You can see you can use the recommended protocol, or you can adjust the same, increase or decrease. Doctor can increase or decrease according to patient condition, and after analyzing the patient and as per the treatment requirement. So you can increase or decrease from here. So currently I am using the 45 only, and these are the 4 output power modes. You can see a thermal, medium, deep, auto. A thermal is the upper one, the lowest thermal energy. Medium is the next level to the thermal. Deep is the highest level, and auto, it will automatically adjust the level of heating. And so now I will show you the demo of the device by operating the same. Like I have selected CET section. I go to the CET section, and this is the negative plate. In the CET section, I am using the same on hand or waist, or thermal mode. Now I will apply the same, and I will show you. This is the applicator. I have connected my hand, my right hand to the negative plate, and on the left hand I will use the same. I have to press the start button now. Start button. You can see the output power indication is here 37 watt. As this is the CET mode, and I have connected one hand with the negative for positive and other with the negative. So I am getting the within the seconds I am getting the heat in my hand. So I can keep on rotating too, or I can use the same stationary as per requirement, or I can move here and there. So you can see this is the earth move, and the deep tissue area I can use the deep move. So you can see whenever the electrode get out of the contact of the body, the output power will become zero. Whenever the same will come in the contact, according to the contact, it will give the output power and heating. So this is the demo of the device. So you can see this is a 45% energy, and I was getting quite enough heat in that section at the rate 45% only. I can, if the area is quite bulkier or quite deeper injury, I can increase or decrease energy level. Doctor can increase or decrease the same according to the requirement, according to the patient. So this was the CET section, same as with the RET section. If you go to the RET section, same all treatment protocols, same energy recommendations, and you can increase or decrease, same indications of the area you have selected, and same output power, thermal, medium, deep, water. But this is the resistive section, or this is the capacitive. So thank you for watching. Hope the information is quite, hope the video is quite informative. Thank you.